When purchasing insurance, one of the biggest concerns facing a policyholder is ensuring that their claims will be paid. However, when it comes to paying a claim, the insurance company needs to determine what caused the loss and that the cause of the loss is covered under the policy. The dominant or effective cause of a loss is called the proximate cause. That is to say, proximate cause is the thing that directly led to an accident or loss. Understanding the effective reason for a loss is critical when it comes to insurance. This is simply because a loss could be due to a combination of multiple factors, some of which are uninsured or excluded under the policy. In trying to determine the proximate cause of a loss, an analysis must be taken of how the different causes involved in the loss interacted with each other. The outcome of that analysis depends on identifying the risks involved as causes of the loss and the nature of those risks under the insurance. An insured risk is a risk specifically stated by the policy as being covered under the insurance. An excluded risk is one which would otherwise have been covered under the policy but is removed via an exclusion. An uninsured risk is one that is neither excluded nor insured. It is outside the scope of the policy. A loss caused by an uninsured risk is not covered under the policy unless an insured risk is the dominant cause of the uninsured risk. The application of proximate cause is often extremely complex and can be controversial in some cases. But there are some general principles which apply to proximate cause and consequently insurance. Firstly, the loss must always include an insured risk. If there is no insured risk, the loss is not recoverable. If there is a single cause of the loss and that risk is insured, then the loss is covered. If that risk is uninsured or excluded, then the loss is not recoverable. In situations with more than a single risk or peril involved, determining the cause of a loss is significantly more challenging. There are a host of considerations which must be taken, including things like whether the risks occurred as a chain of events or concurrently. It is always important to remember that proximate cause is complicated and can impact you if you are unprepared for it to be applied to your insurance. For more information about proximate cause or to receive a free quote, ask CCW Global, where your insurance is swift, simple, and sorted.